What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another 240 vlog. So pretty much today we are actually working on the 240 again, and today we're gonna be upgrading our air induction system. So this is pretty much a AKS air filter that we're gonna be actually upgrading into the 1J vvti. This was shipped from Japan last week. I just received it today. I'm pretty stoked, pretty excited. Let's go ahead and install it, and then let's see how it sounds. So here's my setup. I'm pretty sure everybody have a different case, everybody have a different scenario. So in my case, when I installed the tubs, this thing actually is a lot bigger because this pipe, this intake pipe over here, the air filter pipe, is supposed to face forward and do not sit between the radiator and the charge pipe. Because I didn't have enough space to relocate this, I actually have to modify it, make it to sit like this. So pretty much this setup is been working great so far, so good, but sometimes I feel like the car needs a little bit more air, you know. I feel like it could do better. So that's one of the reasons that I actually got this filter, the AKS one, because it is actually shorter by, we said, about like 2 inches or so. The diameter is the same, right? 3 inches inside. I think it's 4.5 out. I'm not really sure yet. I haven't measured that yet, but yes, you guys get the idea. So this actually is gonna sit right over here, maybe a little lower, maybe a little inner. So pretty much my setup here, I already loosened up this clamp with a flathead. I loosened up my MAF sensor. And this Toyota coolant is very pretty, man. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, let's get back to the intake. All right, so I have to move this charge part maybe a little more. This will slide out just as it is. Let me just put the camera down. Look at that. So this is actually the AEM filter that I have. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is great, very great product. It's just a little big for me. So look at this. Actually, this over here is being a little, you know, squishy over here. But I mean, I'm pretty sure with this one will work better. It's, look, wow, it's like double the size. Man, I can't wait to put this on. Alright, so pretty much got the filter installed to the MAF sensor. Look at this. This thing is looking really good, very slick. Now luckily I have one of these 3-inch hoses that go into the air filter. This actually came with the motor. When I got the motor, you know, this came with it. So I kept it around. I'm pretty sure, you know, the motor have one of these before, so.
Love me. Oh, I need someone to 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 love me when
There we go, boom. Actually, it does not look that bad. This will keep, you know, all the dust and shit that will come into the, you know, to the filter. Yeah, like I mentioned, I'm just gonna put the charge pipe back now, and then turn the car on, and then let's see how the motor responds. Okay, so the little mushroom didn't make any crazy suction noise that I thought it will, but I don't know if you guys could tell, but when I was going on throttle, this mass actually was pulling into the mushroom, which is, I guess, a good thing, because we fixed our clearance issues. The air filter is not resting on the radiator anymore. The charge part is not resting on the air filter like it did. Look at this. This is not good. We actually gain more space for it to breathe. I don't know, hopefully I'm gonna gain some, let me guess, maybe 1 or 2 horsepower. I don't know, I don't really care. Maybe a throttle response. But this is something that I really wanna fix long time ago, you know, because like I said, this thing was getting all squished up in there. This didn't fit in there, I just made it fit. It was looking ugly, now it looks good. Look at that. What I'm gonna do now, actually, I'm gonna take the car actually for a spin. I don't know. Hope that you guys enjoy the ride. Yeah, it crashed it.